this video we'll be looking at a stripped back bare bones version of the song. We'll still be looking at the main parts, the most recognisable parts of the song like the chord progression and the intro, but without much of the thrills and the difficult parts to play. We're also going to be playing this song in standard tuning. If you do want to jam along with the original version of the song by Jimi Hendrix, it will be tuned to E flat standard. For the intro we're going to start with a B bar chord at the 7th fret root on the low E string. I'm going to strum down twice, then move up 2 frets to a C sharp minor bar chord at the 9th fret there, and just strum down 4 times. So, then a little rest before we go back to the B, 2 strums, and then move down to an A bar chord at the 5th fret, the low E string root this time, with 4 strums again this time. So B, C sharp minor 4 times, B twice, and then A 4 times. So we have the B twice, C sharp minor 4 times, B twice, A 4 times, and this repeats. We've got 13th fret, slide into the 13th fret on the G. We'll grab 12, 14 on the B and bend it up. I'm going to bend it up 4 times there. On the 4th bend there, there's a little vibrato on it too. We then got a pre-bend on 14, so we've got the full tone bend, pull it down and release into 12. Okay, so slowly the slide into 13, 12, 14, bend 4 times. Vibrato, then the pre-bend, release into 12. I'm going to slide on 11 to 13 on the G string. And we'll go back to 11, hit it 3 times and a little bit of vibrato on there. Slide into 11 on the D and play 9, 11 on the G. We're then going to bend up on the 11th fret, whole tone, and come back to 11 as standard. We'll then play the 11 again. We kind of bend up and down and then back up to pitch, and then we'll hit 11 again, release the bend and flick off to 9 on the G. So from the slide up to 13. We're then going to grab the 11th fret on the D string to kind of finish that riff off there. Then we're going to play 9. Hammering on to 11 and pulling off on the B string, and roll back up to 9 on the G. I'm going to get 12th fret on the B and kind of bend it up a full step and then hit it again. The main chord progression in the song, without all the frills and little lead licks that Jimmy's adding around, essentially is just a C sharp minor chord. It's like a C sharp minor bar chord but without the bar, so the first finger is literally just playing the 4th fret and the A string there, and the high E string's open. And we'll just strum that once, then go to a B, then an A, then we've got B twice, a little muted hit at the end, so C sharp, B, A, back to the B,